Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rex and this is my review about Sony Xz2 camera. So this one comes with a 19 megapixel camera with app 2.0 and you can shoot 4K videos at 30 fps, 1080 at 60 fps, 1080 at 30 fps with gyro EIS, which means we have decent stabilization. And unfortunately there is no EIS in 4K, but I have to say 1080p stabilization is really fantastic. And one more thing is actually super slow motion videos with nice 60 fps at 1080p full HD resolution. So yeah, these were some highlighted features of the Sony Xz2 camera, and without wasting any time, let's get straight to the video, see what happens. When it comes to primary shots, the images produced by Sony Xz2 are well detailed and sharp, with much natural look with no saturated color production. So if you are someone who loves realistic look, you will love the Xz2 image quality with no saturation and vibrant colors. In direct outdoor situations, again Sony Xz2 provide really good results with plenty of details, and if you zoom in or crop the photos, still images look pretty decent. Just to see how much detail it captures with 19 megapixel lens. Plus background and foreground separation is on point with natural background blur. When it comes to low light shots, the Xz2 doing a really good job here with app 2.0 with less amount of noise and no washed out colors. Plus with sharp images you can get decent details even if you zoom in. And also there's portrait mode or bokeh effect, which is pretty much useless. So here I'll share a few shots with you guys and I'll see you at the end with my conclusion. So starting with 4K 30 fps video, it provides really natural look just like the photos you saw, with less contrast and no boosted vibrant colors. But there's no EIS in 4K, which is not that good for mobile filmmakers, but I have to say the video quality is well detailed and sharp. Again, for 1080p videos, same thing as 4K, but there is one thing that really stands out is stabilization, and Sony calls it intelligent active stabilization. It produces buttery smooth cinematic motions with no jerks, so I have to say Sony did a fantastic job when it comes to gyro EIS. One thing this phone sucks at is autofocus, and it really struggles when there is slight movement. Even if you tap on the screen for focus, it still can't pick up the object. So yeah, the focusing speed of the Xz2 is not that fast and responsive, but I can bear with that. It's not a big issue to have. When it comes to low light video, the quality is not that good compared with images we saw earlier in low light, but it really depends on lighting conditions, so do not expect better results when it comes to low light filmmaking. One Another most epic feature of this phone is 960 fps slow motion video at 1080p full HD resolution, and it really provides the best results compared with other phones that gives you 720p resolution videos at 960 fps. So thumbs up for Sony Xperia when it comes to slow motion videos. So guys, this is about Sony Xperia camera, and honestly I love this camera, especially 960 fps slow motion and super steady 1080p videos, and image quality is fantastic with realistic colors. I'm a big fan of natural colors, and the Xperia is the best option for me when it comes to still photography. So if you are someone who looking for a best camera phone under 20,000 rupees, the Xperia is the best option right now, with one of the best options for mobile filmmaking and photography. And I don't think there's any other better phone than Xperia when it comes to camera phone under 20,000 PKR. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be doing camera comparison between Xperia and R2. So be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.